Imagine applying for a job and getting rejected. Not by a person, but by an algorithm. Now imagine that same algorithm being twice as likely to reject you based on your gender or ethnicity. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. Today, we're diving deep into a critical question. Is AI fair? And if not, can it be? AI bias refers to systematic errors in AI systems that lead to unfair outcomes, favoring or discriminating against certain groups of people. And here's the catch. AI doesn't invent bias, it learns it from us. Example. In 2018, an AI tool used for hiring by a major tech company was found to prefer male candidates over female ones. Why? Because the data it was trained on reflected past hiring patterns, which were biased. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is flawed, so is the AI. There are several types of bias that can creep into machine learning. Historical bias. Prejudice baked into past decisions. Example, hiring or criminal sentencing data. Sampling bias, when the training data doesn't represent the real world. Example, facial recognition systems that perform poorly on darker skin tones. Labeling bias, if the humans labeling the data have unconscious bias, it gets embedded in the model. Measurement bias, when proxies used to measure outcomes, like using zip code for creditworthiness, skew the data. Biased AI systems can lead to real harm, denial of loans or jobs, wrongful arrests, healthcare disparities, unequal education access. Example, in the US, a healthcare algorithm was less likely to refer Black patients for extra care, not because of race directly, but because cost was used as a proxy for need. Thankfully, we're not powerless. AI bias can be mitigated with the right tools and intent. Key strategies: diverse and inclusive datasets, bias audits, and fairness testing. Explainable AI, making models transparent. Human-in-the-loop systems, final decisions involve people. AI, ethics teams, cross-disciplinary collaboration. Tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360, Google's What If tool, and Microsoft's Fair Learn are helping developers audit bias. Leading AI companies and governments are taking action. Google has committed to responsible AI with open source tools and transparency reports. OpenAI prioritizes alignment research to ensure safety and fairness. European Union is introducing the AI Act, a legal framework to regulate high-risk AI use. UNESCO adopted ethical recommendations for AI development worldwide, but there's still a long way to go. AI can be a mirror, reflecting the best or worst of us. The question isn't just, is AI fair? It's, are we teaching it to be fair? The future of AI isn't just technical, it's moral, social, and deeply human. As developers, users, and citizens, we all have a role to play. If you found this video valuable, share it. Someone else might need to hear it. Subscribe for the weekly insights on AI that matter to your world. And drop a comment. What do you think is the biggest challenge in making AI fair? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.